Hey guys, Johnny Quick here, and if you're having trouble having stereo sound come out of your OBS screen recording software, then you've came to the right place. I'll be right back, and we're going to show you how to get it in stereo sound. We're at the workbench, and I want to show you how to get my voice to come out of both of your speakers, because that's why you're here. That's why you're clicking on the link, so you can figure it out, and I'm going to show you. What you want to do is you want to come down here to this little cog right here. It's a little cog. My mouse is right over it. You click on that, and you go up here to the audio input capture, which is my microphone. I have the Shure mic, and you just put a check into the mono, and now my voice is coming out of those speakers instead of that speaker. When I first started using this software, I wondered the same thing and stumbled upon it and figured it out. So I hope I can help you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Put some comments down to what you use OBS for and what other problems you guys have, and give me some ideas and I can solve them. I've used this software for a long time, many years. And, hit the like if you like the video. If it has helped you in any way, shape, or form, give it a like, give it a subscribe, support the channel, and so I can get some more content out as soon as possible. And thanks, guys, and have a great day, and treat everybody good. We only got one life. Thank you.